Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're diving into something pretty exciting, Launchpad on Coinstore. And this one, well, it's focused on farming, innovation, healthier food, and ecosystem growth. So guys, before we get started, don't hesitate to join our community by subscribing, and don't forget to leave your comments below, and let's get started. Disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. So, your investments are your responsibility. Alright guys, so here is the thing. Agriculture and food production are facing massive challenges from sustainability to efficiency to the actual health quality of what we eat. Okay, so traditional systems are kind of outdated. Farmers often don't get fair opportunities and innovation is super slow. That's where projects like HECTR step in. They want to fuel farming innovation using blockchain tools, creating a healthier food ecosystem. So why should you care? Well, food literally affects everyone. It's one of the most basic needs. Bringing blockchain transparency and community support into farming means healthier food and stronger ecosystem. So the token isn't just another token. It's trying to tie crypto to real world everyday needs. So what is the token exactly? On Coinstore's Launchpad, the description says the token fuels farming innovation, healthier food, and ecosystem-wide growth. Basically, it's a startup token project launching through an initial exchange offering, and the token symbol is HECTR. Now, all of this is happening through the Coinstore Launchpad. If you're not familiar with it, Launchpads are like special platforms inside the exchanges where users can subscribe to new token sales before they hit the market. On Coinstore, you'll see tabs like market. So as you see, market, trade, Launchpad, superpay, spotlight, and more. Okay. And right now, HECTR is listed under the ongoing Launchpad events. So the mission is really clear: support farming innovation and build healthier food ecosystems. And the main feature here is the subscription model, meaning you commit USDT during the Launchpad window, and depending on total participation, you'll get your allocation of the token. They also have tasks to increase your subscription cap, like completing KYC, trading on the exchange, and even holding tokens. These tasks basically let you boost your participation limits. Okay, now let's do a little walkthrough. When you head over to the token Launchpad page, you'll see the project card. So it shows the price now. One token equals 0.01 USDT. So the total supply is 100 million HECTR, which equals about 1 million USDT at launch. So you'll see the timeline. So the event started on August 27, 2025, and subscription opened on August 28, and the token distribution will happen on August 31 at 11 a.m. Okay, and allocation results will come right after at 11:30 a.m. Pretty straightforward. So guys, if you want to participate, here's how it works step by step. First, log into your Coinstore account. If you don't have, you'll need to register. Go to Launchpad here, as you see guys, and click on HECTR, okay? View details. Complete your KYC verification. If you haven't yet, this also increases your cap, and you can also boost your subscription limits by trading. For example, every $500 in trading volume adds $500 to your cap. Once ready, click commit now and enter how much USDT you want to commit. Remember, those funds will be locked into allocation. After the allocation results on August 21, your account will automatically be credited with your share of HECTR tokens, and any unused USDT will be refunded. So now let's talk numbers real quick. So the total supply is 100 million HCTR and the launch price is 0.01 USDT per token. That makes the Launchpad raise capped at 1 million USDT. Utility-wise, HCTR is tied to farming innovation and building the ecosystem, so we'll likely see staking, governance, and maybe use across agricultural platforms, so you can check out more details in the white paper linked on Coinstore's page. And the roadmap highlights milestones like the Launchpad event, so token distribution, exchange listing, and future ecosystem development. Since it's still early, the vision is to expand into actual farming related innovation and partnerships. And the white paper gives more insight into how HECTR wants to connect blockchain with farming. We won't dive into every detail here, but the key points are transparency, rewarding participation, and creating value chains that directly support food innovation. And by the way, I also checked out their official X Twitter account, which is HCTR AG. I definitely recommend giving them a follow if you want to the latest updates right from the team. They've been posting about the EO progress, community support, and even some details about their former grant reserve. For example, one of their latest posts say, "We're humbled by this community. Fixing global food security takes all of us, and thanks to you, the vision is coming alive." And the HECTR IEO on Coinstore is 84% subscribed with just 20 hours left. So another post explained that 25% of the total supply is reserved in the farmer grant reserve, which will go toward regenerative practices distributed through local cooperatives. So yeah, they're active, transparent, and pretty engaging with their audience. So yeah, that's the full picture of HECTR on Coinstore Launchpad. It's combining crypto fundraising with something that affects all of us, is food. So as always, do your own research before getting involved in any token sale. I'm just showing you how the project works and what it offers. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next breakdown. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about blockchain projects in agriculture? Exciting, or maybe still too early? I'd love to hear your thoughts, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.